What's up, guys? Today we have another reaction to a new glider video. The game today it's called SML YTP The Flood. Okay, so in the video, so it looks like the house is being flooded, but it looks like it was raining very hard, guys. So yeah, guys, so I guess that's what caused the flood, guys. So it looks like the flood happened inside the house, and it's gonna be like the water's gonna be huge. It's gonna be like stuck inside it, guys. So yeah, so I feel one of them's gonna drown, guys. So yeah. Before I start the reaction, guys, make sure to subscribe to my second channel, guys. So look at the description. And make sure to subscribe to my edited channel. So look at the description. So you guys can subscribe to him. So lunch for you guys. Yeah. And my social media platform to be description. So you guys can follow my other social media. So lunch for you guys. Yeah. And the visual video link in the description. So you guys can watch yourself. And make sure to subscribe to SML YTP. Make sure to subscribe to Glider if you're already subscribed. So you get 1 million subscribers, guys. So yeah. Anyways, let's get into this reaction.
Jeffy, Brooklyn guy wants us to go fishing.
Yes!
What the heck, Jeffy?
Have sex with him. All right, let's go.
What the heck? Forget don't do that's weird.
Breaking news! A
Hurricane.
hurricane is hitting us right now, so stay inside.
Oh, it's on the news.
And done.
What is that?
It's a submarine.
Does not look like a submarine.
I think shit that people don't even think about thinking.
Cody, why is he licking his balls?
I can't even look at. Oh, you can't do that. Only dogs can do that.
My dad said I was made in 30 seconds.
Oh no, Junior!
It's flooded.
Guys, what happened?
No! Oh God!
And then the ocean.
Dude, I don't
Are
want
they
to
trying to use a submarine? Why did you
what the
keep
fuck?
Joseph? And now the house is flooded now.
Jesus Christ, Junior!
No, the world is flooded outside. It's
Junior,
flooded.
God damn it! I'm going home!
I didn't add an engine to, move it.
Junior, are you kidding me? We're trapped with no way out!
I hope your cat gets feline leukemia.
Wait, who the fuck is that?
It's Ken.
Oh my God, Ken! Hunky man overboard! Somebody save him!
Oh, there's a shark.
No,
How did a
God,
shark get in the
why?
house? It's Matt.
Oh, whew. Oh, thank God.
Don't raise your voice like that or I'm going to have to beat you again.
Come on, Mr. Fishy, I'm bored. I think I got a fishy.
No, it's a submarine. It's a submarine, Jeffy, not a fish.
Yeah! It's a miracle!
Jeffy's awesome.
Ew.
He just threw it back in the water.
Real nice, Cody, showing your ass.
Why do you keep farting? Why are you shooting keep farting?
Yo ho, Captain! Oh, it's somebody in that damn water.
Put somebody in the water. Go reel him in. Get the net. Yes! It's a miracle! Are you boys okay?
I'm gonna bomb your house and cut your mom's head off.
Hey, just threw it back. All because you said that to the pirate. Should not say that to you.
Junior, goddammit, we're gonna die down here!
Cody, if we die, I hope I'm remembered as an racist.
Racist?
Junior, what the fuck? No!
Junior, stop farting. 1 year later. What the heck? 5 years later.
I had a massive W there.
Junior, I can't do it! I don't want to be here! I want
I
to...
hope your cat gets feline leukemia.
He does not have a cat.
Just about to go surfing.
Years
Wait, is that
later,
a submarine?
that's a
And there
long
are people in there. Oh my God. I'm coming, bros!
I'll get dead now.
I saved you guys.
Yep, they're dead.
I hope your cat gets feline
What the heck?
leukemia.
Tell me why ain't nothing but... Okay, well that was a hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. I had to go turn off my timer, guys. So yeah, I hate it when that happens when I'm in the middle of recording a video, guys. So yeah. Okay, well that was a this was a pretty good glider video because then the house got flooded, guys. So yeah, guys, I don't know if you that because of a hurricane. That was a big hurricane, guys. So yeah. Anyways, it just make a official thumbnail. Okay, got it, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. You guys been watching this video, so thanks for watching. So, see you next time. I'm see you next time. Okay, bye bye.